my hands, I have my October Confetti Collection grade to unbox with you guys, and I am so freaking excited. I love the stationery that I get in this box. Like, I actually used up one of the notebooks that I got in this box, and I feel like it really helped me to get my, like, organization together. Like, I feel like my life has definitely improved since I've gotten stationery in this box. I'm like, oh, I have fun, cute stationery to look forward to using every day. So it's really helped to get me more organized, and I'm so sad that I'm starting to run low on some of it. And I accidentally broke a pen that I got in another box, and I can't tell you how much I love the stationery in this box. So here in my hands, I have the October box. Here is my Confetti Collection box, and as you can see, they have updated the packaging for their box. Like, it's a lot smaller now because there's a lot of extra room in the other box that went to waste. So I'm glad that this one's smaller. Okay, so bubble wrap break. Yes. Yes, give me that bubble wrap. Yes. Okay. Okay. Oh, can I stop? I don't know. It's so fun. Like, it's so addicting to, you know, it just feels good in the soul. Okay. So here's what it looks like. In case you were curious, you've never been here, haven't seen this box. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you get, it's really interesting. You get like some, you get like stationery, like you'll get pens, you'll get notebooks, but then you'll get party supplies too. So it's really fun to like throw a little pizza party with your friends and family with the stuff that I've gotten in this box before. Like, that's what I do. Like, if we go get pizza, or if we do like a fun, like we get dinner out and none of us feel like doing dishes, it just feels like really fun just to use the paper plates and napkins that I get in this box. And it's just a fun little way to keep things spicy as an adult. Okay, so here's everything that I got. Let me like actually hold it. Let me get myself together for a minute. Okay, so here's everything that I got inside of this month's box. So this month's theme is surprise. It's the treasure hunt box. Who doesn't love the thrill of a treasure hunt? Ooh, pirates. Pirates. We've curated some of our favorite treasures just for you. So start hunting through this box to see what they are. We'd love to see your unboxing videos and photos. Use hashtag Confetti Collection Box to when you post them. Okay, let's rip this plastic open and see what we got. Okay, so I got the sticker. I'm so excited. I really hope this is another one like the other notebook that I got, because this is the one that I ran out of. And I was like, oh, it's so pretty. Hold on, let me like finish talking before I unbox. I am so impatient. Okay, so it says notes. Yes. And then we have a little notes in here. Yes, it's so cute. I love it when they're lined because it helps me feel like a more organized adult. But literally there is so much paper in here. Like, I just wanted to give you an idea. Yeah, that's a lot of paper. And it's hardback. So you can like abuse this notebook and it'll still love you. Okay, I'm so curious to see what this is. We have a Wake Me Up When the Booze Cart Comes Around sleeping mask. Oh my god, how freaking cute is this? Yes, oh my god, and I love the colors. We got this like pretty red color. I don't know, maroon. I don't know. I'm not good with colors. And then gold embossing. Yes, that is super cute. Okay. So, the next thing I'm pulling out is this bottle opener. That is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, I love tassels. This is so, so cute. Oh my gosh, okay. So, I'm also very curious to see, I see a massive flamingo. What is this? Oh, it's a gift bag. Like, it's a gift bag. But it's a massive flamingo gift bag. Look at this. Like, you can move his legs. Yes. For a little like bottle, you could give somebody like, hey, I got you a wine bottle. And I'm like, oh, and a massive flamingo bag. Yes, girl, it's so cute. Okay, so I also see, oh, yes, it's so pretty. Please stay. Oh my god, look how cute my hair is. Okay, so we have a ring dish. I can't move my head. I can't like animate myself the way that I normally converse. I feel frozen in time because of my cute pink curls. Okay, so it says everything in its place. A ring dish. Yes, I need another one of those because I keep losing mine. I don't know. I just, like, my rings are still where I put them, but the ring dish is gone. Maybe somebody's breaking into my house every night just to steal my ring dishes. Just kidding. That would be kind of crazy. Oh, what is this? I see folders. File folders. Yes, so we have, a, I see a freaking birdie. I can't wait to see this. Okay, so we have little tabs that are just like, oh, here's what this folder is for. Super useful. Oh my gosh. So we got 2 of every, 3, I can't count, of every pattern. So we have this super cute, just says files. And then we have this one. Oh, bird. Yes, that's so cute. Let me see the birdie, so cute. Okay, and then we have this one. Yes, so cute. I love the patterns. It makes staying organized fun. The last 2 things that I received in my confetti collection are these heart-shaped napkins that are so freaking cute. And then we got this ribbon that matches the napkins. But the napkins, oh my god, they're so freaking cute. So that is everything that I received in my October confetti collection box. What did you guys think of this box? What was your favorite item? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.